So these two smartphones are traction holding devices, the Infinix Note 8 versus Tecno POVA. Both are powered by the same MediaTek Helio G8 chipset. Despite having the same processors, both are also different in various ways. For example, the Tecno POVA has the best battery life, but not the best camera. The Infinix Note 8, on the other hand, is that budget camera smartphone you've been looking for. So in this video, my style of comparison, we are going to have the speed test first and then followed by the camera comparison. If this is your first time of being here, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the post notification. I also made a review of these two smartphones already, so you can check the description below for the links and also for the giveaway participation. So let's get the speed test started. The Infinix Note 8 has 64 megapixel plus 2 megapixel each for the other cameras, while the Tecno POVA has 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel each for other cameras. On the front, the Infinix Note 8 has 16 megapixel plus 2 megapixel depth sensor selfie dual cameras, while the POVA has 8 megapixel selfie cameras. The first place you notice the quality of the Infinix Note 8 is when it comes to videography. With the ultra steady feature shot on in the Infinix Note 8, it gives you the best video quality. However, when it comes to photography, the Tecno POVA 13 megapixel is overly saturated. Tecno failed to maintain any quality in it, so what they did was to make it colorful. Too much red to be precise. For example, in these two pictures, you notice the Infinix Note 8 maintains my true skin color, but the Tecno POVA made me look so reddish in color. So the Infinix Note 8 is the best here. I honestly didn't want to give up, so I tried over time, and the Tecno POVA rear cameras won't stop being reddish. The bokeh effect of these two smartphones looks great. The popping out of the main subject while blurring out the background looks good in both smartphones. And aside from the main cameras, I also tested the 2 megapixel macro lenses, and both did so well. I guess that's because both smartphones are using the same macro camera lens. The Tecno POVA's 8 megapixel selfie camera was also overly saturated. Same problem you have with the rear cameras. Too much red. It was at this point in time that I realized that this was a deliberate attempt by Tecno. So it's simple. The Infinix Note 8 is the best camera smartphone of these two. Even when under hard or unstable low light condition, the Infinix Note 8 still managed to give you the best quality when it comes to photography. The Tecno POVA is great for gaming, but when it comes to camera, you have to look somewhere else for the Infinix Note 8, for example, as the best to buy. Although the Infinix Note 8 is 10,000 naira high in price than the Tecno POVA. So, do you think this 4 megapixel is worth the 10,000 naira extra? So let's talk in the comment section. Also, do want to subscribe and turn on the post notification if this is your first time of being here. It's my idea. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.